One of my biggest challenges since I transitioned from a relaxed hair or since I shaved my hair and started growing a natural hair is styling my hair. I can remember at the initial time, at earlier on, all I did was mini twists, micro twists, sometimes cornrow, and still at the end of the day, once it start getting a little bit old, or when I have somewhere that I need to be, I always still would wear a wig. But I didn't want that. I mean, that wasn't why I transitioned. I wanted to explore my hair. And then I figured that the best way to, enjoy my hair is to style it myself, explore with styles by myself, which is why I started my DIY hairstyle again. There's this hairstyle that I've seen severally on the Maumi. At this point, I feel like it is her signature hairstyle because she has rocked it severally, and I've been meaning to make one of those until this day, being a Sunday morning, that I had to, get myself ready in little to no time. And then I thought, why not make this hair? I mean, it looks simple. It is something that I can pull off. I even have the extension that I've been meaning to use. So that is what we're gonna be doing. That is what you guys are gonna watch me do. You guys are seeing how far I've come with sectioning or parting my hair. Started by spraying water, moisturize, did a C cut here and then a straight line, and then I did something at the back. You guys have seen everything. I don't need to explain it. Yeah. So starting off for the hair, I need to start with one side. As you guys can see, hers is like a cornrow, or should I call it like a braid, a cornrow braid, whatever, not like a twist. It is a cornrow. So that was what I started my with. Or more, see, all the while that I've been seeing this hairstyle, I thought it was something so easy that I can pull off in little to no time. Although I did pull it off in little to no time, but it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Okay, of course, I started with the cornrow just like hers, but since I'm braiding large quantity of hair, I mean, we parted the hair in like two sides. Even though this side is, smaller than the other side, it still felt really big in the sense that I had to keep dragging hair from each side. Although that is how it normally will be braided, even with any hair texture or anyhow, provided you're making this style, you just have to be dragging your hair in from both sides. But for me, in my own case, because my hair is really not that long, I mean, it's a 4C kinky hair and also not that long, it was difficult achieving a sleek finish. Okay, it was kind of not smooth, rough. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be that smooth, but it wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. So I had to take it out. And then an idea came to my mind. Why not try flat twist? Flat twist is one style that I've seen for so long. And I've always imagined that it is this, easy style, but I also felt like it would not be a strong hold. Like I always imagined that flat twist will not hold strong like cornrow. Cornrow is three strands handed or whatever, but flat twist is just two, two hand strands. Hey God, please forgive what I'm saying, but you shall understand what I'm trying to say. I always felt like it's not a strong hold, but I decided to try it out. And you guys, that was the answer. That was the answer to the confusion that I've been having. Although it was difficult at first, being the fact that this is like my first time ever trying flat twist. Like I've never, ever, ever done flat twist, either on myself or on anyone, but it actually is. I was shocked. I was impressed. So I did that side and I came over to this side. Another thing that I did differently from the cornrow one was I braided it closer to my face. The other one, it was as if, it was backwards. So it didn't frame my face properly. But this one, like I intentionally braided it close to my face. Like I was dragging my hair from the middle close to my face. As you guys can see, this one, I did the same on the other side, even better, even far more closer to my face on the other side than on this side. See what I'm doing? Like I'll pull my hair just closer to my face or closer to my ear, just like that, like that. And when I come closer to the back part, I will turn it into three strand braids. Now it's no longer two, because I mean, if you do it two all the way, it's going to unravel. It's not going to be a strong hold, which is like one of my greatest fear. But I figured that okay, once I get to this back part, I will turn it into like I will divide my hair into three rather than the two that I'm working with, and then I will braid out my hair. Okay, for those of you that don't know how to flat twist, you can watch this video again without me even talking. Just possibly mute it or reduce the sound and just watch how I am doing it. You just have to be pulling your hair in, pull your hair in as you twist, pull your hair in as you twist. and in no time you will achieve the result you want. So over here at the back, we finally at the back, I tucked in the ends of the hair, started cornrowing. See, I didn't you don't have to make this part neat, but if you can, why not? For me, I was already tired, and also I was in a hurry, there was no time anymore, so I just did a very rough braiding. At the end of the day, I just wanted a braid, something that I can crochet on. That is the most important part. So after I was done braiding, I was left with one part. So I had to tuck it in with my crochet needle, just crocheted it onto the rest of the braids, to hide it basically. And this is what we have. So for the extension of today, I had this crochet yaki straight or kiki straight. I just sectioned it and put on my you know my braider rack or whatever. So for this extension, I want you guys to know something. The stress I went through to get this particular brand, it's just out of this world. I recently realized that Expression have this yaki straight crochet hair, and theirs is way more affordable. If you're in Nigeria, I think it is sold for around 5,000, 6,000 naira, but I got this one for 15,000 naira, and then delivery costs 5,000 naira, so that I think that is a total of 20,000 naira. And if you don't want to spend this much, I will advise you to get the expression one. I've seen the expression online, but I haven't really seen it in the market. But you can see, I mean, expression is all over. You can see it in stores, market. Just tell them you want crochet yaki hair, okay? And they might have it. Or better still, you can buy from this brand. I just don't want you to go through the stress I went through. They just stressed me very unnecessarily. Anyways, you guys have seen what I'm doing or what I've done so far. I crochet the hair onto the braids, and that was so fine. I made sure that I did like in a lined way at the top. You guys saw how clean that is. You just have to be careful with that part. Anyways, we are done with the hair. As you guys can see, I'm trying to lay down my edges. I also applied mousse that will help slick down and flatten my hair. I used two different mousse. The other one, which is this one, has a thicker consistency than the first one that I showed you people, but just figure out the mousse that works best for you. I also used a bobby pin to hold down the part that I felt, the part of my hair that I felt like was popping out or whatever, and then I tied it down. And you guys, look at your baby girl. Oh my god, guys, this hair is so gorgeous. I don't need to say too much. You can see already. By the way, tying your hair with a satin scarf would help flatten it and slick it down properly. I didn't explain that part. Like, it's very important if you want your hair to come out looking this good, just this gorgeous. You might need to tie it down. If you like this hair but don't know how to put it into words with your comment, kindly say it is so gorgeous. Yeah, just type that right now. It is so gorgeous. I would really, really, really appreciate to hear your thoughts, to see your comments. It really do help my videos. It help push my videos to the right audience, and also right now give the video a thumbs up. Yes, please do that. And in case you're not following this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, but all the same, you want to take your time, no problem, I got you. Take your time, but don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And with that being said, see you all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.